guys, it's my first vlog and it is the house tour vlog and welcome to my first vlog. See, it's the departments. And now guys, I will show you the lift. See guys, it's the lift and see, it's the lift. Now I will show you my flat, just 1 minute. Now guys, see, it's the flat and it's the main entrance, 1 minute. And now I will show you the hall. See the designs, the tube lights, see the designs. Now here is the furniture and now I will show you the TV cabinet. So here is the TV cabinet and we can set TV in it. So let's move to the next room. Now it's time for bedroom guys. See, now see the patterns. See the bed, see. Let's move to the next bedroom. Guys, here's the second bedroom. And so see the bed. See how beautiful. Now see the design. See the beautiful. Now I'll show you the cabinet, cloth cabinet. So here's the cabinet of clothes. Now let's move to the next room, the kitchen. And so guys, here's the kitchen. See, all neat and clean. I will show you the drawers, We can put, see, we can put aluminum foil, spools, and anything lighter, anything you want. Now let's move to the next room, the bathroom. And so here, see the bathroom. See the designs of tiles, shower, tap, toilet, wash basin, the jet spray. Let's move to the next toilet as there are 2 bathrooms in the house. Now see the next bathroom. See, it's neater and cleaner than that one. The shower, tap, wash basin, toilet, jet spray. Let's move to the next room and I'll mention it in the room only. See this room. I don't know the name of the room. Anyways, see the design. See how beautiful it is. Just see, See. Now I'll show you the balcony. So here's the balcony. See this. It's a bit smaller. And so guys, the vlog ends here now. So bye bye, like and subscribe and share.